Let's talk about the water we use. What do you use water for?
For cooking, for bathing, for brushing your teeth, for washing.
To bathe, cook, clean.
Basically I use it to wet my plants and stuff. So it keeps my soil moist and it helps with the growth of my plants.
Do you have any issues with water?
Anytime it rains, water goes and we have to use water from the drum.
That I don't have a line in my land here. I have to take water from home and journey to the land here. So based on my journey from home to the land, it cannot be difficult. So sometimes my plants used to be struggling.
Have you ever heard of wastewater?
No, and I don't know what it is.
I heard about wastewater.
So wastewater is the water that basically goes down the drain. It could be the water that you use when you're brushing your teeth or when you're taking a shower or washing clothing or even washing dishes. Now, the thing about that water is that we can treat it. Right now it's all just going down the drain and going into the ocean. But we can capture it, we can treat it, and we can make it safe again so that you can use it or I can use it. Would you use it?
It tastes bad because it's disgusting.
Yes, I will. Once it's treated and there's no harm to my plants, I will use it. From sewage, but as you said, it's treated, so I will use it.
No.
Thanks to climate change and depleting water resources, we will have to.